He wanted to get dirty so he can go in the water.
Yeah, because now, you didn't even have to pack.
Where you go?
Go over there, over there, over there.
Ano mo kasi ng bola?
Eh, hindi ko alam kasi kung ano yan eh.
Where you go?
Waterproof.
Okay, you need to go deeper.
Come here, bring your ball. Come here, bring the ball.